How to protect your iPhone 16e by enabling low power mode battery. So let's start the video. First of all, close all the background apps. If you open, then close all the background apps. After closing all the background apps, then open setting and scroll down and click on battery. Now here you can see the option low power mode. Now here you can turn on or off your low power mode. Now turn on your low power mode. If you turn on your low power mode, it will stop your downloads and anything of your phone. And then click on battery health and charging. Now here you can see the maximum capacity is 70%. It will need a service. So make sure you turn on optimize battery charging button. If you turn this off, then turn it on. After turning this button on, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.